Being a corporate flight attendant, you know how it feels to get a call for an instant trip to an unusual destination. First thing that crosses your mind is how to find premium catering for your return trip. In the same situation, you seek recommendations from flight attendant friends, but sometimes it's too late and you need to move. In real life, you need to plan ahead to avoid surprises. But these days, placing orders with premium caterers around the planet can be right at your fingertips, whenever and wherever you need them. This is the idea behind GalleyGate. According to recommendations from more than 400 flight attendants who really used and endorsed those catering services, GalleyGate meticulously selects premium caterers and uploads their menus, so you can browse and place catering orders directly with the caterer, anytime, anywhere. Let's meet Sandy, who got a phone call for a quick trip to Johannesburg in South Africa, where she's never been before. Sandy used to look at shared caterer contact lists and to call flight attendant friends asking about catering recommendations. Then a friend told her about GalleyGate. Sandy signed up, logged into her account, and selected Johannesburg, browsed the caterer's menu, created a detailed catering order through the super user-friendly interface, and sent it to the caterer. In Johannesburg, the caterer received Sandy's order by email, reviewed and confirmed her catering order by a single click. Sandy enjoyed her first visit to Johannesburg and toured wonderful places. On the departure day, she got her catering order on time and as requested. Since that day, Sandy's catering orders are centralized and saved at a single place. Whether you're traveling east or west, GalleyGate makes your catering order simply the best. So get ready for your next trip and register for free at galleygate.com.